Hello, welcome to my workshop where I will be showing you the problem I had with the my HP computer power supply. I just opened it and this is the input, but I show you, I have opened this already, but I just open it in front of you. Just have a look. Oh my goodness. Have a look. Oh my God, I could smell um, what's burning, the burning smell out of it, and it looks pretty damaged. And I can't see why it's not anywhere else, but this is highly sparked, very fatal. It actually killed the power supply altogether. There you are. So that's the input going in, and you can see uh, all the other components seems to be functioning and physically okay. Um, why actually went gone bang? This need to be sorted out. Work it out what is actually what was arced or what actually damaged the components that actually blew up so severely. Um, okay, I mean this is this you can see this is bridge rectifier and the smoother capacitor, and this is a transistor look like. um, I don't know what it is yet, but as a physically you must check uh, and visually that is there anything else. That's PTC temperature coefficient, yeah. And this is a coil. It's a switch mode power supply, and this side burnt. Oh my goodness, that's a terrible sight. And you can see SMD related components also burned with it. Uh, I just clean it off and see if those very small resistors on the surface mounted, are they damaged or not. So just give it a bit of clean. Okay, right. Okay, let's get the meter and check. I mean, this is just initial test that the components are actually blown or open circuit or short circuit, or they could be okay, just the dark dust on it, that goes that to cover up the very minute micro components. Uh, yeah, this seems to be okay. These are the small, the first R1, R2, that's all 10K almost, yeah. Yeah, that's about, they are about 10K resistors. Yes, this seems to be okay. Okay, and see if there's any track broken, but no, it doesn't look like. So this one is a MOSFET. This is drain, gate, drain, and source. So these should be like this. This looks like this is completely dead short between gate, drain, and source. So it could be a massive spark there. Okay, let's see further down. Is there any other components look suspicious and guilty parties? But no. So this is input and this is bridge rectifier going in and going into the MOSFET. The MOSFET is a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. It is a long, but it's just short. We call it MOSFET. MOSFET is used for high current switching. So this is the spot where the high current is switched all the time through the um, switch mode. That's what you call a switch mode power supply. So this is okay. This is okay. This is the secondary of the DC output happen, and that is optocoupler on the top to give you feedback if there's anything happening in the primary or sorry, in the secondary. So this is it. So this needs to be taken out and checked. There you are. I check it again. This is short circuit all round. So I'm going to be taken out, and I actually don't have these in stock. So this is heat sink and heat sink compound. And there it is. It is become open now, so I can check it again and take it out as well. So I'm going to, yeah, there you are. It defines that this is the number. I took it out. This is the number 27621, and this actually arced between those legs. This is what actually happened. So I managed to get one of these and replaced it. This is the old one. I replaced it, and while I was making a film, I actually accidentally stopped it, so I don't have that video clip putting it back in and testing it. So I do apologize, but as you can see, this is a replacement, and do not really trust it. That's a Chinese production one. So I would recommend the original one for your computer. So it's just that because I can fix it, but doesn't mean that everyone else could. So if you do fix it, make sure please do not touch any live wires or live components. Make sure everything is off. Be safe, and safety first. So this is the culprit, and now it is working perfectly okay. I'm quite happy. I could do a lot of modification on it to make it a bit stronger, but it's not worth it. It's just waste of time to fix it for myself. I'd rather get the proper one or make a stronger one myself. Yes. So there you are. So thanks very much for watching, and please do come and see my other videos, and I'll be getting. Thank you.